Now tell me what is the difference between two letters.
The has two dots and the has no dot.
Okay, now tell me what is different between two letters.
Dal has one dot and the has one dot.
Very good, good job. Now tell me what is different between two letters.
Dal has
Okay,
one dot and the has one dot.
okay, now tell me what is different between two letters.
Hamza has no dot and Ain has no dot.
Okay, now tell me about this.
Okay.
Okay.
Sin has no dot and Sad has no dot.
Okay, now tell me.
Okay. Kaf has no dot and Gof has two dots.
Okay, now.
Okay. Ha has no dot and ha has no dot.
Okay, listen to me, okay? Repeat after me, okay?
Yes.
Ha has no dot and ha has no dot, okay?
Yeah.
Say again.
Ha has no dot. Ha has no dot.
Okay. Now tell me about Zod and Za. Do you know what is different?
Okay. Yes. The has one dot and the has one dot.
Wow, very good. You're a good boy. Good job.
Yeah, yeah.
Do you know?
Yes. Alhamdulillah.
Say Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Wow, very good.